You do have time to make homemade bread when you're using the no knead recipes and you're using the KitchenAid heavy duty mixer. Let me show you how well it works mixing dough, and I'll tell you a few things I don't like about it. After burning up my hand mixer from trying to make homemade bread, I decided to buy a KitchenAid heavy duty stand mixer. Now it comes with a guard you put on there to keep from getting flour and whatever all over you. It comes with a stainless steel bowl. Now it comes with this attachment. This is for mixing like your cake mixes and your batter and things of that sort. It comes with a wire whisk, and this is like for your egg whites, making meringue, whipping cream, anything you need to beat a lot of air into. And then it comes with this dough hook, which is what I was needing. Now putting it on, you just have to kind of slide it up into that groove, and then it's on real easy. Now let me put it to work and show you how good it works. Now I've got the dough hook on. And I'm going to put my splash guard on. I'm going to start it out at, well, I'm going to shut that. And I'm going to start it out at 1, just to kind of get it going. Notice how quiet it is. And I'm going to go up to 2. And according to the KitchenAid directions, that's as far high as you go with the dough hook. Okay, that did not take very long. I'm going to turn my mixer on. Kind of get some of this dough off the hook. Now I've got a large bowl to put it in. This KitchenAid mixer works equally as well with my no knead honey sourdough bread recipe, which is my husband's very favorite, and makes honey sourdough cinnamon rolls that are just so much better than Cinnabon. Or if you may go to our crusty sourdough bread recipe, and for those who don't like a crusty sourdough bread, the soft sourdough recipe, and you can find these links in the description bar. Okay, your KitchenAid will come with the manual. It has instructions in 3 different languages, so you have to kind of flip through it to get it's English, French, and Spanish. And it tells you about the parts and gives you a few recipes to get you going. Now, I really love my KitchenAid if I need to mix some heavy batters, for making bread especially. But now let's talk about what I don't like about it. It is really, really heavy. So I keep it on my counter where I just have to scoot it back and forth and not have to pick it up. Now, another thing I don't like, it really has this small bottom. So it could be a little unstable when you're trying to dip out of it. I mean, if you use it immediately, that's fine, but if you're trying to dip out of it, kind of like if you're making cupcakes or something, I don't think it's real stable. So what I will do is set this inside of a bowl. And also, you know, when you're working with batters or meringue or anything like that, you know how important it is to quickly wash everything. Well, with this big size, you know, you really can't fill up your sink with enough water, so you have to really fill up the container. And if you try to put this in your sink, well, where your drain thing goes, it's not going to sit straight. It's just going to keep tipping over. So I have to put a little bowl in the bottom of my sink and then set this on top of that. My husband just brought these plants in from the greenhouse and set them down here, and I thought they would make a pretty backdrop for my KitchenAid mixer. They are called Mexican marigold mint or Texas tarragon, and you just can't believe how incredible they smell. We sell them at farmers markets and at conventions. And you can see in the background they have these pretty little yellow flowers in the fall. Now you don't have to wait for these flowers to get this incredible aroma. They are in the leaves. In a few weeks I'll be doing a video capturing this amazing aroma in a Mexican marigold mint pineapple cream cheese pie using my KitchenAid mixer. Now if you subscribe, you'll be notified when I post this video. And you absolutely cannot make the 3-ingredient brownies using Nutella without a heavy-duty mixer, which I will be posting the recipe soon. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.